Good morning, children. Welcome in GK class. Learners, today we are going to start our GK chapter number 1 India Drainage System. So, listen carefully. Okay? India Drainage System. Drainage system is also known as river system. Means Pravaha Pranali. As you know, India has several rivers. They have their sources in Himalayas or in the peninsular region. As they flow through the land, they drain in the sea. Have you heard of drainage system? We will know more about how these rivers create a drainage system in our country. आपने सुना होगा ना, हमारी बहुत सारी नदियां जाकर समुद्र में मिल जाती हैं और किस तरह से ये पूरा ड्रेनेज सिस्टम होता है, इसके लिए हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. ओके. Drainage system is the pattern formed by streams, rivers and lakes in a drainage basin. These systems depend on the topography of the land. Drainage basins are divided from each other by topography barriers called a watershed. Watershed हमारा एक small pond भी हो सकता है और एक river भी हो सकती है. Streams are a big part of a drainage system. Streams एक बहुत बड़ा part है drainage system का. India has a huge drainage system as it is the land of several rivers. You know, there are so many rivers in India, so India has a huge drainage system. Okay, drainage system in India. India is a country of several rivers. India में बहुत सारी rivers हैं. नहीं. More than 400 big and small rivers are found, which can be divided into 23 large and 200 small river basins. Here you can see there are so many big and small rivers. Indian drainage system is broadly divided into Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. इंडिया का जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है, हिमालयन रिवर्स में और पेनिनसुलर में. हिमालयन रिवर्स आर फर्दर सब डिवाइडेड इनटू antecedent, for example older than Himalayas, and non antecedent younger than Himalayas. हिमालयन रिवर्स फिर से दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होती है. पेनिनसुलर rivers are further subdivided into west flowing and east flowing. Peninsular river also divided into east and west two parts. Okay, 90% of the land water drains into Bay of Bengal and the rest drains into the Arabian Sea. 90% वाटर कहाँ जाता है? बे ऑफ बंगाल में, और बाकी जितना रिमेनिंग है वो अरेबियन सी में जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड? हिमालयन रिवर सिस्टम. The upliftment of Himalayas in different geological periods resulted in the present drainage system of Himalayan rivers. The water divided watershed and the channel of these rivers have changed at different times. ये बरसात के अकॉर्डिंग जब इसे फ्लो ज्यादा होता है, चेंज होता रहता है. There are three major river systems in the Himalayas. First is the Indus system, second the Ganga system, and the third is Brahmaputra system. Peninsular river system. The course and channel of peninsular rivers are involved by passing through various geological events. Most of the peninsular rivers flow into the Arabian Sea. The rivers of this region are older than Himalayan rivers. यहाँ की नदियाँ क्या हैं? हिमालयन रिवर से पुरानी हैं. Okay, learners, this is the exercises. Now we will do this. Pick the correct option. Indira Sagar Dam of Madhya Pradesh is built on Narmada river. Okay. Ukai Dam, located in Gujarat, has been constructed on Tapi River. Nagarjun Sagar Dam in Andhra Pradesh is built on Krishna River. Pong Dam of Himachal Pradesh has been constructed on Beas River. Super Dam in Karnataka is built on Kali River. Idukki Dam of Kerala is built across Periyar River. Minimata Bango Dam of Chhattisgarh is built on Hasdev River. Now, number 8. Kulmavu Dam of Kerala is built across Periyar River. Children, watch the video carefully. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.